is the spot where I start all my vlogs. So new one, it looks like the same one, but it's like just always my room, and the lighting here is good because it's like right in front of the window. So today is Thursday and it's a public holiday in Austria, so I'm gonna just vlog this summer's day. Yeah, I just thought, I don't know, I like making videos and they don't always have to have like a reason or meaning behind it, so I just thought I would just vlog this summer's day. So today I have a few plans. I'm gonna go with friends to a lake, and then we'll see like what I get on to later on today. And yeah, I just thought I'd take you guys along with me, show you some parts of Austria. I just got ready. I'm wearing my bikini and I'm wearing a cute dress, and I'm just gonna pack. I'm gonna make some lunch to take with me. Yeah, if you enjoy these like random videos, then do give it a thumbs up, because that really supports my channel and supports me and encourages me to continue making videos like this. Yeah, I'm really excited. Can you tell, like, I'm really excited because it's like the first time like I'm going out to like swim in the summer in this year. That sounds crazy because like whatever I've been doing the whole time. But before I go, I think now is like a good time just to like unbox this package that I got from this company in Germany. They came up with this line of natural perfumes, so I just got this box and I'm really excited to try them and to unbox the package from them. So it came in this box and then you kind of just like slide it off. It says Juniper Lane Perfumes, 100% natural origin. So I'm just taking the lid off. This is what it looks like. Opening it. I've already opened it because I was so curious, but how pretty is this? Like, honestly, like, how cute is this? First thing it says here is that it's 100% natural origin, it's vegan, there's the Instagram if you want to check them out, and the website I think it comes from. I think they have different perfumes from this European website. So it comes with this little glass thing. I think you can like put the flowers in there. These flowers, how cute are they? I think they're dried out, but they still have their color. It's so pretty. And then it's like bathing salt, so I think you like put it in your bath. That's cute. I'm gonna try that. And then you can see they're here, the two perfumes. So this one, the pink one, is called Moonflower, and this one's called Wonderleaf. This one smells like almond, violet, and sandalwood. I've smelled them before at the shop and I found them so nice. And look how this just matches my nail polish, like cute. I either have my nails painted like in this color or like in this color, this pink. So this is like so me. And this one's called Wonderleaf, and sorry, it smells like rose, ylang, and also sandalwood. No idea what ylang is or however you pronounce that, and sandalwood, but I will Google that and look it up. Then it also comes, I think this is a notebook. Wait, what is this? Open up to nature. So it comes with this, and then this says free your mind, take notes. I love notebooks, and it's just a plain notebook. Thoughts and notes by. That's really cute. So this is today, so it's not as sunny as it usually was, which is nice because it's like a refreshing day and a cooling day. So I just got ready because I'm about to go to work today. I usually work like 3 days in a week with this job that I just got, so it's pretty fun, but it does take up a lot of time. Yeah, so I guess this day, most of the day will be taken off with me working, but maybe when I get home I'll still have some interesting stuff to do and vlog. I realized I didn't get to finish the unboxing yesterday, so I'm just gonna continue this video just a few days in my week. I'm a little bit late, so I need to go, and I'll see you guys later. Also, this is like this makeup I do for work usually. It's just like this glowy look. Can you see it better now? Yeah, I'm really liking it. Like, I do lots of highlight, but not too much. I don't even have mascara on, just like a little bit, and I'm a fan of it. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. To meet up with a friend. I'm just taking the tram, and how nice is the sun with this like afternoon glow. It's so pretty. So I'm on my way to a shopping centre where she works, and then we're going to get dinner maybe do a little bit of shopping, not sure, and then I'm gonna go home after that. So yeah, work was fun today. It was a little tiring. I worked like 8 hours, but I enjoyed it. And yeah, so yeah, just taking in the sun. It's so nice. What? I'm vlogging. Tell them what we're doing. Okay.
We're eating
Like
5 people.
Show the food. We ordered so much. Oh my gosh. I'm so hungry.
I'm so
excited. I am back. This is such a weird height. Wait, can I make it high? Is that good? This is good. Hi guys, I'm back. And I'm going to finish off showing you guys what I got in the package from Jupiter Lane. Is that what it's called? Juniper Lane. I was getting it wrong. So I have the 2 bottles here. I have a giveaway coming up. So I'm going to be giving away another set. The set that I showed you guys, the one before, in this box here. I'm going to give away another one of these to you guys through Instagram. So if you're interested in winning that box, then go head over to my Instagram. The link is in the description box, and yeah, just follow the instructions on my post with a picture of these bottles and you might be able to win it. I do recommend you guys to try them out. You can try them in your like nearest DM store, like they have them as well. I still have the nail polish that like suits this. Yeah, so I'm wearing the Wonder Leaf today and I really like it, and I'm gonna see how long it lasts. And I personally prefer the blue one to the pink one, but I think everyone likes different smells. And to be honest, it doesn't smell like the typical perfume you would get. It does smell, I think you could say it does smell more natural and more organic. Natural things on your body and on your skin and on your biggest organ. So I think that's really important to keep in mind, that it doesn't smell like the typical perfume, which has so many more chemicals. So basically, I just want to tell you guys, if you want to win these this box and these 2 perfumes, then do go head over to my Instagram and follow the instructions there. What's next? Today is Saturday. I have church in the evening, but right now I'm about to head to the city and I have to get a few errands done. I need to pick up my bike because I left it in the city yesterday because I met up with a friend and I didn't take my bike. So I have to get that. I need to buy a few things. And then I have to have lunch. I still have pizza from yesterday. Like, we couldn't finish it, so I took it home with me so I can have that for lunch now. I'm super excited for that because pizza's good, like always. And then I will get ready for church, or I will just stay with this messy look, however much energy I have. And yeah, that's all for now.
It's Vengana. And the website is echtefrische.vengana.com.
Okay, thank you. So I'm at this event now with some friends, and actually a friend is organizing it, and we're so white. Just look at it's so white. Look at that. And it's called Vengana. It's all like these natural products. So it was actually my last vlog, but you guys should look it up. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, and I just thought I would update you guys like what I've been doing this week. I haven't been vlogging. It's bad. Like, I know, I'm sorry. I've just been like living life and forgetting to vlog, but I just thought like these are casual vlogs, so it's not such a big deal. So what I've been doing is yesterday I met up with a friend. We went to the pool together and we got a little bit tan, and that was fun, just chatting with her. And then today I'm going to go to the ceremony when my friends graduate, but that's in the evening. So right now I am going to meet up with a friend and we're going to get coffee. And yeah, I think I will vlog a little bit of that, but besides from that, I think I'm just going to finish off this vlog now. I hope you enjoyed this casual vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye! they graduated. I haven't graduated yet, but this is their celebration. So guys, show your outfits. They're so cute.
Okay, Claudia, vi vil nerven, aber kannst du auf der Brücke nur abbilden machen, bitte?
Ma eure Schule hasse.
I'm taking one photo. Okay, one second.